Hi, this is Jane with Green Side Up. Today we are going to talk about pet-friendly plants for your house, and I guess a little bit for your yard also. I need you folks' help. If you have any requests for video topics, please leave them in the comment section below on this video. We're always looking for ideas of things that you will find useful. So please help us out. As I said, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I have customers that come in frequently and they say, oh, can I buy this or can I buy that? Is it safe because I have a cat or a dog who, eat the leaves when they fall or they chew on and whatever is hanging? You know how it is. And we have to say, no, can't use that one, can't use that one. So we're going to talk just a little bit about pet-friendly plants. I do want to tell you we have made a list of pet-friendly plants that we keep here in the greenhouse. So if you come in and you do have questions and you can't remember everything I said in the video, that's okay if you don't remember everything. We do have the list. So first of all, pet-friendly means that if an animal, a cat or a dog, chews on those plants, they're not going to get very sick. That all being said, try to encourage your animals not to eat the plants. It's just better for them and it's better for the plants. Before I start about the pet-friendly, I am going to emphasize some that are definitely not pet-friendly. And so I'm going to read just a few here. These are plants that you definitely do not want to have in your yard if you have cats, dogs, and probably even little babies. The first plant that is highly toxic is a sago palm. Every part of this plant is toxic. The leaves, the roots, the seeds, the nuts, all of that stuff. So a sago palm would not be a good plant to have in a yard where you have dogs, cats, and little children, especially if you have animals that tend to chew on different plants. Another plant that I don't have right here is the oleander. Oleanders have beautiful pink flowers. A lot of people like the oleander plant because they are so pretty. However, that is another plant that is highly toxic to animals, and that was one that you probably would not necessarily want to have in your yard if you have little creatures running around. Some of the other plants that they talk about are plants that we don't even think about. And a lot of these are outside plants. There will be some inside plants too. So for instance, lilies, azaleas and rhododendrons, tulips, hydrangeas, peace lilies, pothos, those are indoor plants. Hostas, good heavens, I was going through this list, it's like, oh my goodness, I guess all you can grow in your yard is grass. Well, that's not really true. And then for indoor plants, sansevieria and ZZ plants. Both of those are highly toxic too, especially like cats who like to chew on them. So those are plants that would not be pet friendly. So what can you grow? Well, we have a list. Calathea is a plant that is pet friendly. It's a very pretty plant, also known as a prayer plant. The leaves open and close. This is a plant that is safe to have in your home if you have cats, dogs, and children. This is known as a money tree. Money trees are safe plants to have in your home. I have something to tell you though. They don't make money. It's kind of disappointing. A spider plant is a very easy plant to grow. This one is safe to have in your home. Even if the puppies or kitties chew on the little spiders, it's not going to hurt them. About the only thing it would do is give them a little bit of an upset stomach. It won't hurt your animal. So a spider plant is a very safe plant to have. One of my favorites is an African violet. I love the soft leaves, the pretty little flowers that are on it. African violets are safe to have around your pets. African violets are also very pretty. It's one of the few houseplants that has a pretty flower. They last for a long time. They're easy to take care of as long as, of course, you do it right. So an African violet is a very good plant to have if you have pets. This is a Hoya. Hoyas have a waxy leaf. There's different varieties of them. Eventually they make a very interesting flower, but it takes a long, long time to get them to flower. Hoyas are a very easy plant to grow in your home, and they are safe around your pets and your children. This plant is an air plant. Air plants don't have roots that have to be in the ground. And so an air plant can be placed anywhere, for instance, on the top of your cupboards, on the top of your fireplace, just kind of anywhere you want a little plant. They can be immersed in water about once a week for maybe like a half an hour. That's your care for them. And they are pet friendly. We do have some other plants available on our list of pet friendly plants. You can stop into the greenhouse here at Green Side Up and view it. If you have comments or questions, you can leave them at the bottom of this video. As with every plant, you of course don't want to just, encourage your pets to eat them, whether they're pet friendly or not. But the ones that we talked about at least aren't going to make them sick. This is Jane wishing you and your pets healthy planting, healthy home.